Hey Tech Fam, GadInsider here with a massive leak on a Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, a bigger battery, faster charging, and a 200 megapixel Sony camera. Let's dive into these juicy rumors. Could the S26 Ultra finally break the 5000 mAh battery barrier and hit 65-watt charging? These specs sound wild. Stick around to see what's got fans buzzing. Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is months away, but leaks are already spilling the tea. Tipster on X claims that it'll pack a 5500 mAh battery, up from the 5000 mAh in the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and support 65-watt fast charging, a big leap from 45-watt. This contradicts earlier leaks saying the battery might not budge, so we're still guessing what's real. The display might grow slightly beyond the 6.9-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X with QHD Plus on the S25 Ultra, possibly with slimmer bezels and a new anti-reflective coating. Powering it all? A rumored Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 chip on TSMC's 3nm process, promising faster performance and better efficiency. The camera's the showstopper. Leakers say a 200 megapixel Sony sensor will lead the quad setup, with a 50 megapixel ultra-wide, 50 megapixel 5x periscope, and a 12 megapixel 3x telephoto, boosting low-light shots and zoom. Since the Galaxy S20 Ultra in 2020, Samsung stuck with a 5000 mAh battery, relying on chip and software magic for solid battery life. A 5500 mAh jump would be huge, especially with 65-watt charging. Well, we're not holding our breath yet. X fans are hyped, with some calling it a game changer, while others want proof after years of incremental upgrades. Why is this big? If these leaks are legit, the S26 Ultra could outshine rivals with a beefier battery, blazing fast charging, and a Sony-powered camera. Samsung's playing to win, and this could redefine flagship phones in 2026. Fans are ready for a true Ultra upgrade. Which leaks got you most excited? Drop a comment. Bigger battery or Sony camera? Smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more tech leaks.